Hello everybody, it's your boy Jeremy. Welcome to Smart Money Hub, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a lot of money using Google Admob without getting banned by Google. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you see my video, in this channel we drop a lot of money making related videos, how to make money from Google Admob and some hacks. So if it's what you want, I urge you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, turn on the post notification bell so anytime I drop videos like this you will be notified instantly. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the business of today. So today is about Google Admob. A lot of people have come to my DM and sending me questions like, I got banned, how do I avoid getting banned by Google? How do I do this and how do I do that? Now there's a lot of things you need to put in place before you can self-click and not get banned by Google. Self-clicking is possible. We have to know things to avoid, things to do and things not to do. Okay, so here is one app I created for somebody. The app is called Flex Matrix. Let's check it out. So this is, you can see the ads are displaying right now. This is working now. This app is working steadily, real good. Now I already put the person through on how to self-click and not get banned by Google, and so far so good. It's working perfectly fine. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do and replicate such results. So if you're interested in an app like this, you can message me. I'll be dropping the link in the WhatsApp directly, and you can get an app like this done very fast and you can start earning. Okay, so first things first, when people get their apps done, they just want to go in and click on those beautiful looking ads and get that $1,000,000 straight to the bank account. But first, calm down. Okay, now a lot of people said make sure you're using a very good VPN. Now Google are very smart. You're using a VPN. VPN is the outer surface. Okay, what about the backdoor? For every app there is always a backdoor. So VPN actually has changed the outer face. Okay, so what about the interface? That means the backdoor. How can you block that out? So that is what this video is going to be all about. So before using a VPN, listen very good. First of all, I want you guys to look at this. You see this guy over here, your location. You need to turn off your location first. So when you're done with that, okay, now that's good. That's step one. Step one is done. You come straight to your settings. Okay, now when you are in your settings, you come, where is your apps and notification. Now when you click on your apps and notification, you go to see all apps. Now this is really crazy. Now every single app that that is connected to your Google account, every single app that is connected to your Google account, that before you use them you have to sign in either with your email or whatever it is, you have to sign them out or turn off notification. Now let's check for let me check my audio mark. You go to permission. Okay, it's not turned on. What do? Here you go back. Now let's see, let's come to Chrome. Let's see Chrome. Now app notification, you have to turn off your notification here, everything. Now Android is blocking the app notification from appearing on this device. Now through this app notification, Google can track you, so you have to turn it off. Turn off every notification from any app connected to Google. All right, so you go back, you come to your permission. All right, you turn everything off, everything, so they cannot track you. Now you can see the permission here, you can see location is on, so you have to turn them off. You come to your storage, you clear your cache. All right, you clear cache. This is what you have to do for every app that is connected to Google. All right, because these little things is what Google used to track you. You might be using a very good VPN, you can even pay for the premium section, but these little things will make Google track you, that okay, this is the country you're in, or okay, this is what you're doing yourself, clicking by yourself. All right, so you have to sign out, turn off the notification. So I'm turning this back on. All right, so you check for your Chrome, all your browsers like this, all your browsers, your drive, your Google Drive, any single app, your Facebook, turn off all notification. Let's go. Your GB WhatsApp, or if you're using WhatsApp, Google Play Music, your Google, your Gmail. Sign out from your all the accounts on your phone, okay? Because it is time to work. It is time to earn from Google. So you have to sign out from all of those platforms so that your phone will be exactly, let me just call it, close to blank. There is no way Google can track you, all right, when you are very that careful. So your Google Play Store, your Google Play services, you have to sign out. Whatsoever is connected to Google, run away from it as fast as possible. All right, so that is what you need to do. So the background data on each of those apps, you turn them off. You clear cache. And last but not the least, okay, when you're done with all this and you're self clicking, when you come to the app, you go to app info. Now you come to when you're changing your location with your VPN, you need to come to, after you've done that, you change a new location, you come to the storage and you clear data entirely, not cache alone. You clear data like you're resetting the app, so that when Google is seeing that new IP address and you're resetting your Google ID, it's going to be showing a new app used by another new user. You understand? So you have to clear data for that app. So when you follow these processes, it's going to be very hard for Google to track you, and you'll be making a lot of money. So if you're interested in creating a so that is how you self click. So if you're interested in me creating an app for you, okay, you can message me. There will be a link in the description where you can chat me up on WhatsApp, and we'll make a very good, nice looking app for you guys. Something like this, working 100%, okay, and you're clicking away and you're getting the money straight into your bank account. So if you've gotten a lot of content from this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can get interesting content on how to make money online, general making money online strategies, and even about cryptocurrency. Okay, so this app is working. This is Flex Matrix. If you want to keep flexing your money, come on, you can message me online. See you in my next video. Peace out.